So I'm gonna build an AI doctor that makes money for me while I sleep. And the goal is that he sells products for us on TikTok Shop Affiliate, which is TikTok's new program where you can actually sell products and earn money. So our little AI doctor is gonna be selling this product right here, these supplements. A doctor talking about supplements, come on, we're gonna make a ton of money. This whole idea started when I saw this page on TikTok where they posted a video with an AI doctor and got 1.4 million views. The amount of money that they made is just bonkers. So let's check out this video.
This is why you shouldn't take vitamin D. At first, you may notice your midsection shaping up, as the same jeans you used to wear in high school could start to fit again. These soft gels deliver a strong dose of D3. Stop the wait and improve your health today.
I'm not gonna lie, that video was a banger. And you wanna know what's crazy? They made a total of $37,000 from that video. Actual profit was probably close to $5,000 to $6,000, so not too shabby. If you think about it, that's like 2 months worth of rent. If you live in the city, it's probably like a month of rent, but you get the point. It's a lot of freaking money. And what's absolutely bonkers about this is the guy has done multiple videos around the same amount of numbers. Like this one has 1.1 million. He's posting videos all the time, 250,000 views, 1 million views. So how can we actually replicate what this guy is doing and create our own AI doctor? Well, first things first, you need to TikTok account. So if you want to learn how to get your own TikTok affiliate account and also how to sell things with a community of 1,000 members that are making a ton of money right now, make sure to check out TikTok Mastery. We're talking people making over $10,000 a month in profit simply from making videos just like this. Plus you get access to over 14 hours of video content just like this YouTube video. You'll learn about sales and a bunch of other juicy stuff. Not to mention it's 3 days for free. So if you want to check it out, link is in the description. So now that you have a TikTok affiliate account, let's actually go to veed.io. This website is goated for creating AI avatars, AI voices, you name it. Once you're logged in, go to create avatar video. And once you click on that, it'll bring you to a page where you can see all of these AI avatars. We're talking, I don't know, maybe 100 or 200 of them. So many different people, different jobs, different outfits, different ages. It's insane. Now Anya, she kind of looks like a doctor, I'm not gonna lie, but I want to go with a dude just to kind of follow what the guy did in the video. So we're gonna go with William. He's not wearing a doctor uniform, but a lot of doctors aren't always dressed up. Next step, we actually have to create the script. Now this script, it needs to be a banger. If the script isn't a banger, you're not going to get sales. If you don't get sales, you just wasted all your time making this. How do you create a banger script? Well, the best way where you're going to have the most success is if you join TikTok Mastery and watch all of the videos there. Once again, you can join for free for 3 days and leave, I don't care. But the point is you need to make sure that this script is fire. When creating the script, you need to know what the hell you're talking about. So we're going to be selling this product right here, the collagen. Is collagen peptides, which once again, you can find a bunch of different products on Callo Data. We've talked about it before in previous videos. You can go to product. You can see all these top products like the poop pills. We also got this pre-workout stuff. You can see the collagen peptides are ranked number 7. They're popping, but make sure you get a popular supplement that you see on TikTok Shop or Callo Data. Once you have the product, once you're ready to promote this thing, we need to start researching what the hell the thing is. So I looked up using Google's AI, right? Just by typing into Google, that's all you got to do. The AI will pop up at the top. It's going to tell you what it is. And for collagen, it says it's a protein that's abundant in the human body in all these different places: skin, bones, muscles, tendons, you name it. So that's good to know. Now we have a background on it. Just read through this little AI part, right, on whatever your supplement is. That way you have a general idea of what the hell you're talking about so you don't sound like an idiot. And also so you can create a banger script. But the second thing you want to look up are what are the side effects of low collagen? Or whatever supplement you have. What are the side effects of having low vitamin D? Maybe you're doing vitamin D supplement. You want to see what would happen to a human being if they don't have enough of whatever this is. For example, if you have low collagen, you're going to have wrinkles and sagging and just gross skin overall. Your joints are going to hurt. You're going to be having crazy amounts of thoughts. Don't even get me started. Hair, nails, wound healing, and most important, your energy levels are going to be low, specifically with collagen. This is something we can actually use in our hook. That's why we wanted to look up what's going to happen if you don't have enough of this. That way we can really hit a pain point inside the audience. So we're going to come up with a hook that's calling out an audience that is pretty much tired all the time. So we're going to make this relatable. Let's do this thing. This is the script that we made. If you hit the snooze button in the morning, it's not just because you're tired. It's probably because your body is deficient in collagen, a natural protein that your body produces. We want people that can actually benefit from this supplement. So we need to target the people that are always tired. If you're always hitting the snooze button, you're not excited to wake up. You don't got a ton of energy, right? There's probably something wrong there. It's not just because you're tired, right? By saying that, people are like, wait, what? I thought I hit the snooze button because I'm tired, obviously. Is there something else I'm missing? So now they're curious. That's the point. Now we have to actually justify what we just said. So I'm going to give them an explanation. It's probably because you're deficient in collagen. They're like, what the hell is collagen? No problem. I'll explain it. It's a natural protein that your body produces. The next step, we're going to zone in on the supplement, talk about how it really works, what the hell it is. This part is called the meat and potatoes. So we created the entire script. We talked about the benefits of actually taking collagen, what's going to happen as you get older if you don't take it. And then we did the call to action at the end saying they're on sale right now in the TikTok shop. I'll leave the link in the bottom right of the screen. Once again, if you want to learn how to make fire meat and potatoes, link is in the description for TikTok mastery. Let's go ahead and add this to the project and actually create this talking AI doctor. There's my dude. There he is. My guy looks like a genius. So it's generating the voice, it's generating everything right now, even him talking, the lip sync, all that. So in the meantime, while this is generating, we're gonna start creating photos like this, because in the guy's video, right, as you can see here, he has some crazy photos, all of these made using AI. So we need to get some photos just like this. That way we can make the video just amazing. Go to ChatGPT and type in this exact prompt. Create a 3D ultra realistic cartoon of, and then insert there. For example, the first sentence was if you hit the snooze button in the morning. So we're gonna go back to ChatGPT and type in create a 3D ultra realistic cartoon of a very tired man in bed hitting the snooze button. And as simple as that. That's an awesome hook. It's colorful, it's solid, it represents a tired person hitting the snooze button, literally tapping on snooze. It's a good one. So you're just gonna keep doing that until you have a ton of photos. I'm talking maybe 20 photos. And once again, these take all of 10 seconds to make. ChatGPT is getting faster and faster. Wrinkly skin, for example, that's what it's gonna look like. Let's go back. Over time, collagen levels go down. Do a photo like that, right? It's as simple as that. Just get a bunch of different photos. Now download all of these photos, and once you've done that, you're just gonna upload them to a Google Drive. Just make a folder for it, drag and drop them, and then you can go back, click on each of them, and this way we can actually open them on our phone. So now that we have the photos, let's go back to Veed, and by now, the video is actually done, which is awesome. So let's take a look at this.
If you hit the snooze button in the morning, it's not just because you're tired. It's probably because your body is deficient in collagen.
Yo, I forgot to turn off the Singapore accent. I was so confused. Let me do a US accent. We're going to do this one more time. Let's run it back.
If you hit the snooze button in the morning, it's not just because you're tired. It's probably because your body is deficient in collagen.
Yo, that's fire. That's really good. Holy crap. I've tried out some other AI avatar sites and they suck compared to this. Now that we have the entire thing pretty much completed here, let's go ahead and click done. And we're going to do this in HD quality. And yeah, let's export this video. Bada bing, bada boom. We're gonna go back to the Google Drive. And now that this is downloaded, we're just simply dragging it right into the Google Drive folder. So at this point, now we should have a bunch of different photos that you created, all of them inside the Google Drive. On top of that, we have the new video that's about to be uploaded. Very last step, take your phone and take this supplement and just go outside and record some footage, just like this. That's all I did. I went outside, just kind of swerved it around a little bit. I got some different shots of it, but it's because we're going to use these clips inside the video, so it's not just AI photos, right? It's also some video. People are more likely to buy if they actually see the product and you're not just talking about it out of thin air. So those videos are going to come in handy. We also have our little dude, our little freaking doctor. So let's go. We got everything. The last step now is to go to our phone and we're going to finish off and edit this video inside of an app called CapCut. This is honestly the really fun part. I love it. So go to CapCut, click on the big blue button. You can't miss it. It's called New Project. From there, you're going to select all your videos and the photos that you generated. Bada bing, bada boom. We added them in. But the thing is, now it's going to the wrong shape. So we're going to go to the bottom, click on aspect ratio. Let's change the whole product. There we go. Nice. We changed it to TikTok. So now we have our little dude, just like in the video before, and we can literally stick him down there, make him a little bit bigger. I don't know why he was so small before. And what we're going to do is move all of these clips to the very back, right? We want the photos first. So move those to the back. Next step, now that we have the dude, we have all the photos, everything's lined up in the right order. We have to actually put this dude on top of these photos, right? You can see it's separate clips. So to do that, we're just going to click on the guy, scroll over, and we're going to click on... where the hell is it? Overlay. There we go. So now you can see it's overlaid over these other clips. But the thing is, there's this huge black freaking thing in the background. We're going to go over and click on Remove BG right there. And as you can see, oh, didn't do it. Auto removal. There we go. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, nice. So now the background is removed. We have an actual AI doctor chilling there. So what we have to do is put all these photos in the right order. So I think first we had, which one was it? Yeah, this was the first, or no, that was the second photo. This was the first photo. So we're going to drag this all the way to the start. It's all in order. The last thing we got to do is just zoom into all of them, right? So just pinch it, just like that. He looks really tired. Perfect. There we go. That's all we're doing, just zooming in. All right, so there's a lot of pauses in between when he's talking. So we're going to go through, cut out the pauses. That way it's a little bit quicker.
It's not just because you're tired. It's
Okay, perfect. So we just chopped up the beginning, right? And that's all we need. So we're going to move that to the start. We don't want this guy on the screen for too long, right? We want them to focus on the images. So this whole last part, the 44 seconds, we want to cut this out, right? And only have the beginning with him, but we still need the audio. So we're going to scroll over and let's actually extract the audio. There it is, extract audio. Perfect. I think that's good. So now that the audio is extracted, we're going to move it right over to there.
collagen, a natural protein.
Perfect. That all lines up. We're going to go through and chop out all that blank space right there, right? So now it should sound smooth like this.
Body produces. As we get older, the body produces less and less collagen. This is
See that right there? Yeah, there was a little awkward pause, right? We got to get rid of that right there. Just chopping up the pauses. That's all we're doing. At this point, we've went through, gotten rid of all of those like little spaces in between the audio. That way it's like one smooth run-on sentence. This part's kind of cool. So what I did was I chopped this little dude, our doctor, into a couple different parts, right? 3 different parts here. The first part, he's like this. Watch. So he's chilling in the bottom right-hand corner. That way you can see the guy like hitting the snooze button. The second clip, we moved him a little bit in the middle. That way he's kind of in the center of attention. And then this one, he's smaller. That way you can see the actual collagen inside the muscle. In order to do this, you would just click on the clip, click on split, and now you have 2 different clips to kind of work with. Choose whichever clip you want to work with, and then you can kind of move them around, pinch them to make them smaller, kind of like that. You have all the clips lined up, the audio is solid. Now we just need to go back and add some animations, right? This is going to be sick. So just click on the actual photo, animations. I go over to combo, well, combo wombo. I like the wave absorption. Look at this. That's sick. That is so dope. So that's going to be the first one. Second animation, we're going to do combo once again. Let's do the bounce, right? And when we put the 2 together, this is what it looks like. Let's turn up the volume.
if you hit the snooze button in the morning, it's not just because you're tired.
So we're just going to go back, add animations to every single one, and then the video is pretty much done for this portion. Look how smooth this looks. Right, I love this part.
And collagen, a natural protein that your body produces.
A natural protein. This dude's like flexing. It's so cool. Now this is pretty much what you'd want to do for the entire video, right? And make sure towards the end, that's where you actually add in these clips where it makes sense, right? So to add in the clips, we already added them here, but you can split them. Let's say I only want to do this part, so you can chop it down, chop down the ending a little bit, and then you have like a 1-second clip here.
It's exactly why
Looks like that. Just to give you an idea of what it would look like, it would be something like this. So towards the end, right, you go from the AI photos, you just start showing off like the product, whatever supplement it is, show you holding it, you know, maybe go back to an AI photo for one of them. You can put little, what's it called, the text on the screen, and that's what we're going to do next. So let's actually go back to the phone here. If you want to see even more about making AI videos, once again, inside of TikTok Mastery, you'll learn sales, how to edit like this, so much sauce, all inside of TikTok Mastery. Link for that is going to be in the description. We're going to go ahead and render this video. Click on the top right, and it'll take a few seconds, but the goal is we're going to actually add in captions inside of CapCut, completely made by AI. This is going to save us so much time. Oh my gosh. I've had people do captions in the past. It takes forever. So thank God CapCut came out with this. So once you went to the CapCut screen, after you've went ahead and exported the video, click on Auto Captions, click on the actual video, click on Add, and then you'll see at the bottom here, this little settings thing is going to pop up. I like doing this one, right? It's 2 over from the last Pro, as you can see, this one. So I'm going to click on that. Let's click on Generate, and yeah, bada bing, bada boom. We got our captions coming out. We had to do no work. Look at this. Now captions is cool because you can also add in like highlights. So you can see it's right there, right? We can move it to the middle, and now let's add in some highlights. So if you click on Edit Captions in the bottom, click on Highlight on the right side, right? You can actually go through, right? Let's do the highlight style. Let's say we want it to be red, right? Cool. We can choose words that we want to be highlighted. So morning, maybe tired, deficient, protein, anything that should really stand out, right? Collagen, produces, flappy, right? Gray, muscles, weaker. Really click on all the benefits, right? Those are the ones that should be highlighted. And when it's all done, it should look something like this.
If you hit the snooze button in the morning, it's not just because you're tired. It's probably because your body is deficient in collagen.
So let's go ahead, export that. And yeah, we got our video. We went from having nothing to having a freaking AI doctor that talks with captions. He's moving his freaking mouth. This is cool, man. I'm really liking this AI stuff. It's advancing. So at this point, the video is done. It's looking sexy. Time to upload this to TikTok. So you know the drill, right? Open up your TikTok account. Make sure you have TikTok Shop Affiliate. Once you, hello. Go into your camera roll, and then you can go ahead and select whenever this loads. Then go ahead, select your video, which is right here. Click on next.
If you hit the snooze button in the morning, it's not just because you're tired.
Yo, that is so realistic. Okay, this is fire. So next step, click on add sound at the top. Let's go to recent. I like using Snowfall. This is a pretty good one. Whatever one you use, make sure it's not copyrighted. And you can do that by clicking on the little search icon here. And then on the top where it says sounds, go to commercial sounds. And any of these you can use. So you can click on discover more sounds. These are all ones that you can use as long as it's under commercial. But I'm going to use this one, which is Snowfall. Let's adjust the volume in the bottom right. Original sound all the way up. Added sound down to here. So now that we've added the sound, let's put it in the description. So for the hashtags, which are very important, remember hashtags is going to tell TikTok what group of people to send out your video to. Healthy living. All right, so do like 5 or 6 hashtags. If you do like 20 of them, you can, but sometimes it might affect the video in a negative way. So I usually do 5 to 6. Before we finish, let's add in a cover. Collagen does wonders for the body. It doesn't really matter what this is, just somewhat related to the video. For the actual photo, you want to change it to something. Yeah, there we go. Just pumping in on those muscles. For the link, right? This is, you know, I don't want to say the most important part, but this is pretty damn important. Make sure to add the products. So click on add link and then product. If you can't see this, that means your account doesn't have TikTok Shop Affiliate. Once again, to learn, join TikTok Mastery. We teach you there. But you can go ahead, type in collagen, and then you would just click on add, right? That's the same one that we used today. Now you're good. You can post the video, but let's see the final result.
If you hit the snooze button in the morning, it's not just because you're tired. It's probably because your body is deficient in collagen, a natural protein that your body produces. As we get older, the body produces less and less collagen. This is why our skin gets flabby, hair turns gray, and our muscles get weaker. But what if I told you there's a way to keep our bodies strong?
Keep posting at least a couple times a week. I mean, shoot for 1 a day, but honestly, this dude is pumping out so many videos, and a lot of them are actually going viral. So if you follow these tactics, follow these strategies, eventually, remember, it might not be your first video. Hopefully, sometimes it is, but it might be 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 7th video. You never know, but the point is, you don't know what you could have made if you give up. Kind of like Bryce, he made $5,000 in sales on TikTok Shop Affiliate. Not to mention Nick G, he made 1.5K in sales. Guy's a G. Get it? Because his name's Nick. Anyways, and if you like this YouTube video, there's 14 more hours of this inside the course. So when you join TikTok Mastery, you get access to everything. Excited to see you guys there, 3 days free. With that being said, it's been Matt Lorion, and I'll see you guys inside of TikTok Mastery. Peace out.